In today's video, I will show you a few obsolete keyboard keys and ways you can use them nowadays. Let's start with the print screen and SysRq key. In the old days, print screen was used quite literally to capture your screen and send the image to your printer. Nowadays, however, it sends it to your clipboard instead. Now, if we open Paint, you can see it. System request usually shares the same key, so you also have to press Alt. Before, this key worked much in the same way Ctrl-Alt-Del works on NT Windows. Today, if you invoke system request, you'll get a screenshot of the currently open window only instead of the entire screen. Let's continue with ScrLk. So you have numlock for the calculator pad, caps lock for all caps text, but what does ScrLk do? Well, it changes the scrolling behavior when you use arrows to scroll. Here's an example in Excel. If I use the arrow keys, I change the cell, but with ScrLk, I scroll the entire workbook, as you can see. Moving on to the pause break key. The pause key is simple, it stops the program. Let me demonstrate this with CMD. So here's a dir S, and if I want to pause, I use the pause key. Now, the break key used to break a telegraph circuit way back in the 19th century. Currently, it doesn't have any practical uses, except maybe stopping a CMD command. It's control pause. Oh, and Windows key plus pause break opens system information. Next, the menu key. This one launches a context menu. I find it kind of convenient and use it occasionally instead of the right mouse button. Next on our list, these 6 keys here. They are called, along with the arrows, the navigation keys. I find home and end very useful as they go to the beginning or end of a line in Word. With Control and the key, you get to the beginning or the end of a document. Page up and page down are self-explanatory. Delete is similar to backspace, but deletes the character after the cursor. Also, Shift and Delete permanently removes files on Windows. Insert can be used in some text editors. It changes the typing to overtype mode, which replaces characters as you type rather than pushing them a position further. This can be enabled in Word. And to finish off, here are 3 absolutely ancient keys. You can't see them nowadays. The power off key, the sleep key, and the wake up key. Did you even know these existed? Thanks for watching this time travel video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I will see you soon.